Hey guys, I want to talk about server components in React. When you start React application, you need with, and with you can't, without any extra setup in with, you can't with any extra setup use server components. And I checked the latest version of the with, and here is Hyogawa with RSC. So probably it should be working, but I think the best way of using React server component is Next.js. I want to show you the difference between client and server component. So by default, this is the server component. How can I verify it? Let's type button and type click me, and let's attach some click handlers. On click log, let's say AAAA, and on click, okay, and let's run it, and you can see event handlers can be passed to client component props because it's rendered on the server. If you use client, you are changing the server component to client component, and it works. You can see A. So it means when you render component on the server, you just pass the raw HTML, and that's all. No window, just HTML. And with the client component, you just pass some HTML, and after that React will take over that HTML or anything you send, and after that you can use window. It means event handlers, you can use what you know from the React, use state, use effect, and such stuff. I will delete the button, and I prepared client component and server component. Let's use them both. So first server component and client component. Okay, let's import it. And now you can see on the left server component and on the right client component. And you can see that the render time for the server component is in the past, and in the client component it's more recent. That's because you can see in the server component it's rendered in the server, which is this console log in the server component. So you send the HTML to the front end, and after that React will take over the next code, and after that you can see the date, which is more recent. Also click me works, so you can use click handler, which is fine. And now the interesting part, if you take the server component and you put it to the client component like this. Also let's import it, so you can see it works. And now, is it really server component or it's client component? We can check it. Let's use function on click and use button on click and click me. Now click on the button below the server component. Is not very visible, but I can click on it and you can see clicked in the console. So if you use server component in the client component, it automatically becomes client component. So you don't need to type use client on the top, which says it's client component, but because the parent is client component, it is also client component. And now the opposite part, can you use client component in the server? Yes, you can, because we've seen this before. Because let's remove the use client. Also, I will remove everything. Let's check client component here in the server. So we just need client component and server component without each other, just pure client and pure server. And in the page there is server component, client component, and this home component is server, which works normally. So that's all, and see you in the next video.